Today I'm going to show you that how you can create a professional subscribe intro for your YouTube channel, and we are starting at this moment and right now. So, what's up guys? My name is Aryan and once again welcome to another video. So, as I told you the topic, in this video we are talking about that how you can create a professional subscribe intro for your YouTube channel. And if you own a YouTube channel, then this video will be very helpful for you all. And if you don't have a subscribe intro, then this video will help you in making the subscribe intro. So now what is a subscribe intro? Let me just show you an example of a subscribe intro. Subscribe to my channel Aryan Vashisth for more technology updates and tricks. So, as you had seen right now, that was an example of a subscribe intro. And today I'm going to show you just how you can create this type of subscribe intro for your own YouTube channel. And that's very easy. And you do not need a professional laptop or a computer to do so. You just need a mobile phone and an Android application known as KineMaster. So now let us jump right into our phone screen. And before jumping, I just tell you that if you have any queries related to this topic, the comment section is always open for you all. Do not forget to write your queries or doubts in the comments below. I'll surely reply you back. So now let us jump right into our phone screen and see just how we can make a professional subscribe intro for your YouTube channel or my YouTube channel or anyone's YouTube channel. Okay, let us start. Okay, so now I think you can see my screen. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do is to open YouTube. And you have to open YouTube with another account. You can open it with any account except your account with which you are running your YouTube channel. So I have opened YouTube with another account. So if you don't have any relatives or friends near you, so what you can do is to create a new account, and from that account you can open your YouTube channel. So now I'm searching my channel and here it is. Now as you can see that I have subscribed to my YouTube channel with this Google account, so I unsubscribe it. Let this black dialog go. After this dialog disappears from this YouTube channel, after that you have to click on screenshot. You have to take a screenshot and then you have to click on the subscribe button and wait for this black dialog to go. And after this black dialog goes, you have to take the second screenshot. And after that you have to select the notifications and set it to all. And screenshot. So we have took the 3 screenshots that we need. Now you have to go to Google and search phone border overlay green screen. You can choose any of these templates. I choose this one, and you have to long press on this image and click on download image. This image has been downloaded on my device, as you can see, max default. Okay, so now after that you have to go to YouTube and search hand touch green screen no copyright. No copyright is a must, because if you select a video with copyright claim and the owner of that video sees that you have used his or her video, then you can get a copyright strike and then your channel can be banned. So I choose this one with no copyright and I click on share, copy link. I've copied the link. Now you have to go to Google and search video downloader. Then I go to this website n.safefrom.net. After you enter into this website, you have to paste the URL that we had just copied right now. And after that you have to click on download and then you have to click on download. This video has been downloaded now. Okay. So now you need to go to Play Store and install an app known as KineMaster. I have it installed, so I'll click on open. So now here is our KineMaster app. Now you have to click on this big button and then you have to select the resolution 16:9.
वीटा है काइनमास्टर जैसी, लेकिन काइनमास्टर ना एक पेड ऐप है और वीटा कंप्लीटली फ्री ऐप है और यहाँ पे आपको कोई भी वाटर.
Okay, so now you have to go to images and then you have to select the black color and you have to set its duration to 9 seconds, and then you have to go to the starting of the video. Then you have to select layer, and after that you have to select the screenshot in which you have unsubscribed to your YouTube channel, and you have to reduce its duration to 3 seconds. Yeah, and you can increase the size if you want. Okay, now you have to go to the end of the video and then click on this screenshot here, screenshot.jpg, whatever it is, and then at the end of this layer you have to add another layer, which was the screenshot in which you had clicked on the subscribe button. You have to set its duration to 3 seconds, and then you have to go to the end of this screenshot and wait a minute. Before that, you need to set the size. Let us see how the preview looks. Quite good. Now at the end of the second screenshot, you have to add the third layer, which is the screenshot in which you had also clicked on the bell icon. And you have to adjust its size. Perfect. Now you have to add the phone border overlay. Layer, media, and then phone border overlay. And you have to set its duration to full throughout the video. And then you have to click on this image and then you have to enable chroma key. As you can see, the green background has disappeared. Now you have to adjust its size. Perfect. Now let's see how the video looks. Wow, how good it looks. Now one last thing that you need to do is to go to layer, media, and remember that hand touch green screen, right? So sorry, you have to go at least 1 second ahead of the video, and then you have to select the layer 1 second ahead of the video, and then you have to select that hand touch. And first let us trim it to 3 seconds. Good one. Now let us see that how it looks when we enable the chroma key. Good. Very good. So first, the point where the hand has touched, that point should be the subscribe button. This point. Yeah. And now, after 1 or 2 seconds, you have to add that same hand touch and trim it to 3 seconds. And we enable the chroma key, and let us see how this looks. Good. Now we bring it to here, and now our subscribe intro is perfectly ready. Wow, it looks amazing, right? Hey friends, did you like the video? If you did, do not forget to hit that like button and click on that red subscribe button and also on that bell icon so that you never miss an update from my YouTube channel, Aryan Vashisth. So, bye bye guys, see you in the next video in which I'll tell you something quite good. That's a secret. Shh.